In this video, I will show you how to create a recurring invoice on PayPal. To do this, you want to go and click on Send and Request at the top. From there, go to Request. Now here, the easiest way I have found to do it is to first go and click on Create an Invoice. And then from here, I've personally not found anything you can do, but if you now click back to Invoices, it will take you to a different section where you can then click on Recurring Series, then click Create New, and just select a recurring series. Then here you can choose the invoice start date and repeat every 1 month or day, week, year, whatever you want to do. Then ends after never or a certain amount of occurrences. Then once you click save, you can just choose who you want to bill to. You can add the item or service, any messages, the price, if there is tax on it. You can just add all the details, and then once you click start series, it will then be sent to them on a recurring basis every single month, or year or day, depending on how often you picked. So that's how to create a recurring invoice on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.